fact, when I went to Dr. Mark after the operation, I said, I want to see the proof that you actually replaced my knee. I want to see the x-ray, because I just couldn't believe that. Even he was somewhat happy when I walked in, no cane, no crutches, no walker. I was walked in like an average person. My name is Frank, and I had a total knee replacement, my right leg, my right knee. My knee would hurt pretty much most of the time, but what was really bad is I'd be walking and it would just collapse on me, and that was a problem. And I couldn't do anything anymore. I used to play golf, tennis, a lot of things. Walking. My wife and I like to travel, and it became a real problem for me because I couldn't walk very far. Well, the first time I met Dr. Mark, he actually put some shots in my knee to help me, but he pretty much told me that when I was ready, I would know that I need to get my knee replaced. So the shots worked pretty good, but I knew that it just helped. It didn't fix anything. So I waited a while, and then I went back to him, thinking I might get shots again, try it again. And he said to me, it's up to you, it's your decision. And I had waited for my son's wedding to be over, and now that that was over, I told him, I said, look, Dr. Mark, I really need to get this fixed, because I want to travel this summer, and I can't do it anymore. So he said, okay, and we went from there. Today I went to physical therapy. They wanted to get me to 60 degrees. I was already at 70. The following day I was supposed to get to 80. I was already up to 90. Because Dr. Mark told me, just do as much as you want. If it hurts, you stop. If you get tired, you stop. But you can keep moving, and you can put weight on it. And that's all I had to hear. Wednesday I went home. I stopped taking any pain medication. And Thursday I walked with a walker. Friday I stopped walking with a walker. By Sunday I was driving my car.